Huh? Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about the first sexually transmitted disease, which is chancroid or soft chancre or soft sore or ulcus mole. So this chancroid, the etiology is uh, it is caused by Haemophilus ducreyi, and this Haemophilus ducreyi requires hymen for growth. Incubation period for chancroid is 3 to 7 days. Here the ulcer is extremely painful, friable, soft, non-indurated, ragged with undermined margin. This ulcer will bleed on touch and it produces yellow grayish necrotic exudate on manipulation. On manipulation, or when you squeeze it, it produces yellow grayish necrotic exudates are produced. Then lymph nodes, if you see, there is enlargement of lymph nodes is seen, which is buboes. This is due to the liberation of lipo-oligosaccharides. Painful unilateral lymph nodes will suppurate, and this will be unilocular also. There are different types of chancroid. So if you see, this is present mostly on the penis, and you see the ulcer, which is painful, friable, soft, non-indurated, ragged, undermined, marginated ulcers. There are many types of chancroid. We have classical chancroid, dwarf, transient chancroid, follicular chancroid, giant chancroid, phagadenic, papular chancroid, serpiginous chancroid, or granulomatous chancroid. So if you see the diagnosis of chancroid, in the diagnosis we take the smear and we do direct staining. Direct staining of chancroid shows school of fish appearance or railroad track appearance. It shows gold standard is culture. The gold standard is culture, and we have one more test called as ITO test, which is positive after the second week. PCR is done and it is 100% sensitivity. On biopsy, we see acute necrotizing vasculitis is seen in 3 layers. We see endothelial proliferation is seen, plasmocytic or lymphocytic infiltrates are seen, and there will be infiltrates without fibroblasts are also seen on biopsy. Then if you see, 50% of the cases there will be spontaneous resolution, and sometimes buboes which are present, they will rupture and they will cause unilocular abscess, which is seen as a single sinus. Then the complications include, there will be phimosis, fistula, and hemorrhage is seen has complications. Treatment are, azithromycin 1 gram is given orally, ceftriaxone 250 milligrams IM is given, whereas ciprofloxacin 500 milligrams is given 2 times 3 days, and erythromycin 500 milligrams is given 5 times for 7 days. In chancroid, we will have to treat the sexual partners also. If the exposure is within 10 days of onset of symptoms, then we will have to treat the sexual partner also. So this is about the chancroid. I will just show you the pictures in a minute. So this is the image of chancroid, where the ulcer here is painful, friable, and soft and indurated, and it is ragged, undermined margin. So here if you see, you can see yellowish gray necrotic exudates which are seen here, and this is a lymph node which is ruptured. This shows rupture of bubo, or lymph node is seen here. This is yellowish gray necrotic exudates. It is yellowish gray necrotic exudates. So overall this is nothing but chancroid. This is chancroid. Okay. So thank you guys for watching my lecture. Thank you.